Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to clean the Respiro infant slash toddler mattress. This is my son's mattress right here, and as you can see, this is the Respiro mattress. It can be a little cumbersome sometimes to unzip this and take it off, put it on. So I'm going to show you how I clean it in the washing machine, and I think I'm going to finally put an encasement on it or a waterproof mattress pad. I didn't do that up until this point because my son has an airway issue, and breathability for a mattress for him was just very, very important. I'm going to do a full review on this mattress, but let me just show you here. You see, there is no middle part to the mattress. It's just completely open, and there's a top and there's a bottom. One side's the toddler side, you can see, and then another, this side is the infant side. And then right here is where it zippers on both ends. So I'm going to show you how I wash it. Okay, so with your Respiro mattress, you should have gotten a bag just like this. And let me tell you, it is very, very, very important when you wash this mattress to actually use this bag. So as you can see, I've taken off both sides, and you have to use this bag. This bag does not have a tie or anything on it, but they stay in there really well. You can see this is literally just a mesh bag. And yeah, I have put them in the washing machine without this bag, and after a while they did get ruined, and then they didn't zip properly. So please, please, please make sure you follow instructions. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we fit this into the bag so you can actually put it in the washing machine. So you can see right now it's upside down. So what we do is we just roll it. You can see it's long ways, and we just kind of roll it so both ends are in like a circular shape. You'll see. Yeah, see both ends, and then you kind of tuck them in, then fold it over, and I will show you how it fits into the bag. And to be honest, we usually put both in at the same time. Don't quote me on the instructions. I don't know if you're supposed to put just one or two in. I don't know where the instructions are. But it looks like there's enough room for two, so that's usually what we do. And just one more time to show you how we do it. And then I wash it on cold water, delicate cycle, with a little bit of detergent. Okay, so I already have it filled up. Usually I do these alone, but I do have the mattress cover in there too. It's probably easier with a newer washing machine that doesn't have this middle part, but this is what we're working with. So I keep that, or push that in there like that. Actually, it doesn't seem like it's going down as much as I'd like, so I'm going to just fill it up all the way. Just going to put it on the highest load. As you can see, we have it on cold, and we have it on delicate cycle. Okay, and you've seen how dirty those were. They had stains on them. So we're going to see if washing it in delicate in this can get those stains off. So I have my free and clear little detergent. Ignore this. This is from me putting splashes of vinegar in my wash. And also, I might add, I do not put vinegar, a splash of vinegar in with this, because this just is delicate. Ignore the fuzz. I have my dryer going. But yeah, this is just really thin, this mattress, and I don't know. I just don't put vinegar in with it. And am I the only one? I think that I'm weird. I like to just push it down to make sure it really gets in there. right, we'll check back when it's done. Okay, they just got done. You can see they are still in the bag. I am going to put these in the dryer. Make sure you do not put them in the dryer on high heat. Make sure you put it on medium or low heat depending on your dryer, because you don't want these to shrink at all, because I've made that mistake. And then it's so hard to zip them because the fit is so tight anyway. So please make sure you don't shrink them. So I'm going to take them out of this bag and put them in the dryer. Okay, well that is how I clean my son's Respiro mattress. As you can see, the stains came off. I mean, I do have a few up here that are just like clean stains, right? But the stains that were bad stains, you can see they came off. The other side is clean as well. Yeah, and by the way, ignore the mess. Ignore the mess over there. But that's how you clean a Respiro mattress. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.